Hey guys, welcome back to our kitchen to make a delicious recipe, guys, from our new cookbook. Coconut fried chicken.
Those ones that you just look forward to on a Friday night instead of getting a takeout. This one you can make from the comfort of your own home. So now guys, we're just gonna season up our chicken.
Got a salt, pepper, all-purpose, thyme and crushed chilies.
When you're seasoning your chicken,
that's it.
Very essential part of Caribbean cooking, any type of cooking, to be honest.
Season the tin. We've got 2 whisked eggs. If you don't like eggs, don't use them. You can use some coconut milk instead.
We like to use both.
Yeah, this is called coconut fried chicken. So coconut is the main ingredient here.
That's right.
Mix, get stuck in, don't be afraid of it.
I'll let you do the dirty work there. We've got a mixture of plain flour and self-raising flour. Curry powder, some chili flakes, all-purpose seasoning, and we've got some thyme as well. Shake it about. You want some great tasting chicken, but also you want a great tasting coating as well on the outer layer of that chicken.
As you notice, you saw curry powder. It gives it a nice golden batter.
It's nice to get that colour in it, the fried chicken.
Definitely, man, that yellow colour.
Yeah. So then you just dip it into the flour.
Just go like that. Don't get your hands too dirty.
Dust off excess flour. You've got your vegetable oil now. Piping hot heat. Once you get to a sizzling hot heat, turn it down just before you put in your chicken.
That's it.
So it doesn't burn up the chicken. Look at that, lovely.
So yeah, you know when you're talking about gonna shake off the excess. Words of Jay-Z, he said, "Got dust off your shoulders sometimes."
As you can see, we use both flours for a reason. We use self-raising and plain to get a nice 3D batter to make it rise. And if you want maximum flavour, you know what I like to do? I like to add in the Scotch bonnet.
Yeah.
To the middle here. Got a nice golden brown look on there, guys. Coconut fried chicken.
Delicious.
Freshly baked. Fried and baked.
Fried and then just slightly baked in the oven just to make sure that it's fully cooked in inside.
It's crispy, crunchy, coconut fried chicken. Gillikin flavour chicken.
Oh my god.
Juicy.
So good.
Succulent. It's tender.
Awesome. Whoa.
Guys, we gotta go, man. We got a busy evening ahead, man.
Eating this.
Guys, make this recipe at home. We gotta go. Peace.
My dad always used to beg for fried chicken. But my mum never used to like the oil.
Yeah, too much frying.
You know what I mean?
The stinks in the kitchen as well.
Yeah.
It's true.
I think like if you're gonna make fried chicken and you wanna be healthy, I don't think you should make it. Straight up.
It's true.
It's breadcrumbs.
Yeah, you could do that as well.
Instead of flour, you could use breadcrumbs.
Yeah.
And then put it in the oven to bake.
Yeah, that's true.
Still get that
because you're taking the fat off already anyway.
That's the skin off, right?
That's the skin off.
Yeah, with the skin on or with the skin on.
You could do it both.
I think
Either or.
Because you know we've got those that really want to be like where they're watching their calories and the fat and their intake.
Yeah.
So yeah, that without the skin, sometimes people thinking, can I do this? Can I still have the flavour without the skin? You know.